Welcome back to Jones Metal Products. Today we're going to talk about careers. This is something I talk to my family about, I talk to young people all over about, and basically how do you get to the good jobs? And what I'd like to talk about today is apprenticeships. What we're really looking for and trying to hire are people that can learn and grow. And basically that takes a little bit of time, but we do some very interesting things here. In Little West Lafayette, we're building things that compete with companies all over the country and in some cases all over the world. And the way we do it is we have very specialized training for the employees we have. So we're looking for people of good quality, people that are curious, people that are willing to learn, and we can teach them the fine art of hydroforming, the fine art of machining, heat treating, being a quality technician. So you can move up into those sweet jobs, but it's something where you have to show the ability to learn and be curious. So almost everybody in this building at one time started out at entry level. You come in and you might be a helper at a press. You might work on the floor helping with just deburring parts, the basics of the business. But there are paths that you can go in. One would be machining. We will send you to school to learn how to be a machinist. We will work with you while you're here to teach you the fine arts of machining formed parts, which that's a very specialized part of machining. You can become a quality technician. Are you willing to learn how to program a CMM, a laser scanner that scans parts, working with measuring instruments to measure the accuracy of parts? You could also go down the heat treat path. You could become a NADCAP level heat treat operator. That's how you get to the good jobs. One of the reasons that I work here, one of the reasons that I own Jones Metal is I want this to be a place where people that want to live in a great community like West Lafayette or Coshocton or in the surrounding area, but they want to live here, they want to raise their family here, they want to be around their community. They have a place where they can excel, have a great career, but still have a life. We've tried to create an environment here where you can have a purpose, you can really serve and grow and have something that you can be proud of, but also a place where you can have a great life. And that's what we're striving for every day at Jones Metal. We've always taken care of our own. We've been able to do wonderful things here. We have one of the greatest school districts in the county. And we want to continue to support that as a company through our employees and people that want to be a part of this. If you're watching this video and you're saying, hey, I think I'm interested in checking out, see if I can be a part of Jones Metal, what you need to do is just go on the website, submit a resume. We have jobs on Indeed. Just contact us, give us a call. We would love for you to apply for those jobs. Don't be intimidated by saying, hey, I don't know anything about hydroforming, or hey, I can't do this or that. Come in and talk to us. Let's learn together to see if this is a good fit for both of us. We hope that you will become a part of Jones Metal family and have your own success that you can share to the community.